So next one, how to create pivot table. Okay, pivot table. Oh yeah, pivot table. How to create pivot table. Okay. So we look up the data input. Okay, data. The confuse. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, ಆಮೇಲೆ pivot table ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. So this is the data sheet. Okay, then go to alignment, select, go to apply, center. Okay, see here. This also apply. Then apply center. This is the middle center. Okay. If we add again, if you want before serial number, so click on name, then right click, insert column, then type serial number, then 1 2, then what, select, just double click. Okay, then again apply border, to apply all borders, then this, then select, go to same format, apply. What? Okay, double click. Okay, clear? So this is the date mask card. Okay, so you created minimum, maximum, result, over.
Sir, average.
Okay, what is the result formula?
Sir, average.
Result.
Sir, is equal to sum ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು select ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Sir, is equal to sum. Open bracket, select. Sir, it has put for average sum which you are saying is equal to sum open bracket type average. Like average to like it just
See, this is the average formula. This is the average formula.
Average open bracket.
Yeah.
Select that.
What is the percentage?
Percentage is average.
Yeah. Now we add percentage. Okay. Okay. Then select, go to total marks, divided by total 4 subject marks. Each subject under 100. So now total 400. Then enter. Then click on the value. Then go to click on percentage. Then track. This is the percentage.
Sir,
Is equal to, see what is the formula? Is equal, select the total marks, divided by total subject marks, overall subject marks. We have only 4 subjects: Hindi, English, Science and Mathematics. Correct? So now every subject under 100 marks, total marks. Correct? Now total 400. 100 multiple 4. Enter. If you show find 0.62. 0.62. Then click on percentage. Then drag. Okay. Next one, minimum. Then maximum. Why? Okay. Then see, Neetu is the taken 4 subject marks. Which one is the minimum earning marks? Neetu. Okay. Is equal to MIN formula. Then open the bracket. Then drag, select subject marks. Where is notebook? Close the bracket, enter. You see, 54 is the minimum. MIN, minimum.
Then select four subjects. Then close the bracket. Enter.
Yes. Maximum, same formula. So, yeah, is equal to mx max, open the bracket, select the subject, marks, close the bracket, enter. Then, click and drag. Okay, now apply borders. Select, apply borders. So this one already is bad than again. I want to remove this column. Right click and delete. Okay. Minimum, maximum, percentage, average. So now result. So pass or fail. Okay. Yeah. So result. Is equal to if open the bracket and open the bracket, yes, is equal to if open the bracket and open the bracket. We need small letter or big letter.
Open the bracket and again open the bracket.
Select the first subject marks. Okay. Greater than. What is the passing marks?
100
35 is the passing marks. 35, comma. Then select next subject. Greater than passing marks 35. Yeah. 35 ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸು 35 ಬೆಲೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಫೇಲು ಪಾಸು ಬಿಲೋ ಬಂದ್ರೆ yeah. Then select next subject greater than passing marks 35. Then last subject select greater than 35. Yeah, don't comma, close the bracket after comma. Okay, then type double inverted comma, type pass, then close the bracket, close the double inverted comma, then add single comma, then open again double inverted comma, type fail, then close the double inverted comma, then close the bracket, then enter. Go to printer, you take print sheet, A4 sheet, then also pen also there, then take it, then write. Yeah, again ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Okay, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ yeah. So again I'll repeat. Is equal if open the bracket and open the bracket, select the first subject marks, then greater than passing marks 100 ge 35 is the passing marks, then comma. So again select second subject greater than passing marks 35 comma, then select third subject greater than 35 comma, then select fourth subject greater than 35, no, close the bracket after comma, Open double unit comma, type pass, close the double unit comma, again single comma, again open double unit comma, type fail, close the double unit comma, close the bracket, enter. Correct? Then drag, you see, yeah, see, correct? 34 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಅಗೇನ್ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ ನೀತು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಹಿಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 35 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 35 ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾ ನಾವು ಪಾಸ್, ನಾವು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಈಗ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಫೇಲ್ ಆರ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 35 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ 35, ಅಗೇನ್ ಫೇಲ್ 34, ಅಗೇನ್ ಫೇಲ್. ಯಾ ನೋ 35 ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎರಡನೇ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಸಿ this is the result formula. Clear? Any doubts? Okay, chart ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ನಾ? Yeah. If you want chart, select the student name, then go to total marks, then percentage, then go to go to insert, then select. Okay, if you click on move the start to new sheet. Yeah. So here you want quick pivot. This light ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? See? You want change the chart style also. You can. Yeah, this is the chart. Okay. Clear? So now, how to create pivot table? Okay, pivot table means summarize the sheet. You go to insert, is the first one. Easily arrange and summarize the complex data in a pivot table. You can double click the value to see which details value make up the summarized total. Okay, so very easy. I select here all, then click on pivot table. See, it will select the values, then click on OK. See, suddenly another one sheet is coming, sheet 2. Now right side pivot table field. If you want required, I need student name. I want student percentage. I want total marks. So clear. If you want, okay, no issue. Okay, this is the percentage. Click on home. Click on percentage. Select. Click on percentage. Okay, this is the filter. Yeah. Okay, this is the pivot table. If you want chart, select. If you want part, you want only total mark, select. Go to apply. You want line chart. Okay. Okay. This is the pivot table. Okay, go practice.